Should you become an organ donor? One of the most interesting facts that I learned while doing research about this topic is that every 10 minutes, a new person is put on the national waiting list for an organ transplant. And there are diseases that only these transplants can help. So while doing my research about this speech, I learned a few things, and I want to share them with you and let you know more information. I want you to know how being an organ donor can give you the opportunity to help others. I want you to know that the waiting list continues to grow. I want you to know how many people can be helped with a single organ donation. And I want you to know how easy it is to become an organ donor and how meaningful it can be. So when learning about the opportunity to help others, people who are usually on these lists have end-stage diseases that only an organ donation can help, and it can be a life-changing thing in their life, which is just amazing. Do you know that at any given second, there's 124,000 people just waiting on to receive an organ transplant? I find that number is so large that it's hard to even fathom how many lives are waiting to be changed. One organ donation can save up to 50 lives. That is just amazing. And it saves 8, but you can impact over 50. That is what is phenomenal. And it's so easy to do. You literally just mark a box when you get your driver's license and agree to be an organ donor. And how meaningful is it going to be that just by marking that box, you're changing and saving so many lives? I'm so glad that I marked that box and that I get to maybe one day save those lives. Are you going to save those lives too?